What's going on, lovely people? Thank you so much for joining me on today, man. To all my subscribers, welcome back. To all my new people, welcome to the family. We appreciate it. Let's give y'all a hey, yes. Yes, oh yes. All right, enough of that. All right, so basically what we're going to do today, you know what I'm saying? We are going to do a plug-in versus. Got the CLA MixHub, the SSL-G channel, the SSL-E channel, and then the Scheps Omni Channel, all right? So let's just go ahead and do it. So I have everything set the exact same, okay, across the whole board. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna listen to the MixHub first, then the G channel, E channel, and then the Omni channel. And y'all let me know which one y'all like, all right? So let's just check it out. Here we go. All right, so I definitely heard a difference between all four of them, okay? Definitely the MixHub, I really love because it feels like I'm directly behind the drummer and like, it's like I'm in the room. That's what I get from that. I get that between the G channel, between the MixHub and the E channel. Now with the G channel, I feel like I have a little bit more grit. I don't know if you guys, like, I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, but it feels like it's just a little bit more grit to it. It has a little bit more body. And then with the Omni channel, I don't know, maybe I don't have it set right, but it just didn't sound the same as these. But at the end of the day, I think everything was fairly good. All right, let me look at the MixHub again, okay? Let's listen to the MixHub again. And I'm gonna do the MixHub and then the E channel. They are all very unique. They are. Like they really are all very unique as far as the SSLs go. If I had to put them in order, I think I would go with the MixHub, the E channel, and then the G channel, then the Omni channel. I think the E channel and the MixHub are very neck and neck. Now, me personally, the reason why I like using channel strips is because everything is right there. You know, especially with the MixHub. Of course, I got my gain knob. You know, I can drive it, give it like a little dirt. Got my filters here. I got the analog buttons. I can flip the polarity. You know what I'm saying? Got the high mids, low mids, and the lows, compression, my gates. Everything that I need is right here. I got a fader, can make it extra wide, you know, pan different things. Literally everything is right here. And I don't need to close the plug-in to change different things. So this is what I really like. Literally stay right here, EQ, boom. Next section, compression. Let's go ahead and get the compressor. Woo. Output. All right, let's turn this down. Let's give this a little bit more drive. You know, let's go to the input. Let's give a little bit more grit right here. Like, this is why I love the MixHub. And if you are able to get this MixHub, I suggest you do so because it has made my mixing process so much faster. That was my little rant on the MixHub. But at the end of the day, let me know what you guys think of each one of these plugins. All right, let me know which one sound better. Peace.